So the whole idea here is you need to simplify your designs and add some simplicity and clarity to them to invoke confidence in your viewers. So let's look at some good examples of designs that incorporate this well. This one we saw from the last course, right? There's a lot going on here, but it's simplified and it's easy to digest, right? Like you know where to go. Your eyes start here, and then you kind of work yourself down into these menus, right? Your eye starts up here with this big bold header, this interesting graphic. I don't know what it is, but it looks really cool. And then you continue downward, right? It's simple. It's got clarity to it, and it works. We look at this one. Can't remember what this one is. Again, oh, that's cool. It's clear. There's a massive, bold, strong like header font up here, and then you work yourself down. It's simple. There's a lot of clarity to it. Comparing this to the classifieds or the Gorilla website, it's a lot more digestible, and the user is going to come here and they're going to know exactly what they're looking at, and it's not going to be a treasure map, right? They're going to know exactly where to look next, and they're not going to get overwhelmed with the design. Let's look at one more. Let's pick this one. Same thing, right? There's a lot of content on here still, but it's very simple, and it's very clear what we're looking at here. We've got all of our text and our contact info up here. Got this really cool like line graphic here, and then a big bold header of some sort, right? Still a lot of content, but easy to consume. So don't design local lawyer billboards. You don't work for Better Call Saul. Incorporate good simplicity. Let your designs breathe and let them flourish.